Welcome to Hardwired McLean. This is your boy Brando with Safestreet, an authorized dealer of ADT and owner and operator of Advantage View Solutions. In this episode, we'll walk you through how to install this 4-pack of solar fence lights by Westinghouse. 20 lumens, adjustable color temperature, installs in minutes, 10 to 12 hours runtime. On at dusk and off at dawn, and 1-year warranty. Now I scooped this up from Sam's Club between $30 and $40, and everybody knows me, knows that I'm a big fan of solar powered everything. I believe solar is the way of the future. It's free energy. The sun is burning at all times, providing this energy. So I think there should be more things that are solar. And I like the idea of not having to turn on the back porch light at nighttime when my bear dogs have to go potty. I can just let them out, and I know these lights will be on. Now we'll just see how they hold up, though, against the hot Florida sun. This is the fence we'll be installing on the first 4 posts. So post 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to center them as much as possible right down the middle on all 4 posts. Go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what's inside. Out of the box here, we have our 4 lights in question. We have some fasteners and some anchors. We have some stickers that lets us mark our screw placement. We have some double-sided tape if we don't want to use the screws, it looks like. A little register your product card for the warranty, and of course the user manual. Everyone that knows me knows that I like tech and security related devices. Anything that makes my life easier and is more hands-off. The easier the better. Referring to the user guide before we get started, it's worth noting that it says this unit is water resistant, but it's not waterproof. So this will not work if you try to put it inside the bottom of your pool or anything like that. Also says that it comes pre-charged, but not all the way charged. So it says you must fully charge before first use. Here's some of the tools it says we need. Here's the hardware that's included, which is the anchors and the screws, right? But we also need a pencil, or any writing utensil, I would imagine, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a drill, and we got those right here. So we're ready to go. On the next page, it's referring to the double-sided tape here. Now, it says to use on a flat surface, a smooth flat surface, and to clean it first, but it does not work on wood. And of course, as we noted, we're going to be putting on our wood fence, so we are going to be using the fasteners. So we need the fasteners and our little punch template, and a drill and a light, of course. So we'll go ahead and space those out appropriately, mark our through holes, and then we can proceed to drill in our fasteners, and they'll be prepared or in a ready position to mount the light. Now, it doesn't call for it, but I'm adding a tape measure to the mix because we are putting along my fence line. I do want them to be measured at exactly the same height down on each post. So we'll go ahead and measure a foot, maybe a foot and a half down, and then we'll start to place our stickers there. Okay, I have 4 of them. And these 4 posts seem to get the most sun. The farther down you go, the more shaded it becomes. I want to make sure they're getting adequate sun. And when my bears potty at night, they're not going to go way out in the yard anyways. They go out far enough to use the restroom and come back. So I think I'm going to put 1 here on these first 4 posts. That's what we're going to do. Okay, I got my tape measure here. I'm going to go about 12 inches down and then make my mark. Okay. Here's our marks there, and then we got our sticker. We're going to go ahead and just line up with those marks. Try to make it as even as possible and centered. We're going to rinse and repeat, for all 4. Now we're drilling our fasteners the rest of the way down. All the way down to just, we want to leave a little bit of sliver of the head out. It should look something like that. Alright, we got it ready. We have to put what it says up, and we'll place those little notches on there and just push it down. So let's line it up and then push down. Yeah, that works good. Now we'll simply rinse and repeat for the other 3 locations. A pro tip, they come with these stainless steel screws, fasteners, but these drywall screws work even better. Up is up. And voila. We're making progress. 2 more to go. And now that we have them all on, we just gotta go through, and there's a button on the side of each one. We just have to tap it once, like so. Oh, there we go. You see the lights on there? You can actually tap it. Each time you tap it, it's going to give you a different colored light. So there's 4 different options. Use this one. Yeah. Now we just got to let them charge and wait for nightfall and see what they look like. Now I knew 20 lumens wasn't much, so my expectations were low. But I was kind of hoping it was going to be slightly brighter than this. I do like the way it looks though. Hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you're interested in home security, feel free to reach out to me for a quote or for more information. Our services are available all over America.